So we start off today's video with someone who has hair just past their shoulders. Looks like the stylist is doing a pixie cut for this one. Oh, wow. Beautiful height with this particular pixie. She's got the swoop bangs going in the front. Such a cute style idea. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some more long to short hair transformations. So if you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, we have this gorgeous bob. Followed by a fresh lob haircut transformation. Very cute. And then we do see another bob here. This one has that French girl style to it. Beautiful bangs in the front. Followed by another gorgeous bob. And then we see someone with very long mid-back length hair. The stylist asks, how short do you want to go? And ends up creating this beautiful shoulder length bob. I love the sheen that she has here. Gorgeous tousled waves, very pretty. And then we see a major hair transformation. So this is by Philip Wolf. He also had like 3 parts of this particular transformation up on his TikTok. This is just astonishing. I'll just say that. So it looks like she gets some extensions here in the back. Oh, she's getting her makeup done for this one as well. Very cool. So as you guys can see, she does end up getting a very trendy mullet here. I love her makeup. I love the color of her hair, and I love this haircut. I think that she looks absolutely incredible. So there is the before, and there is the after. Beautifully done. So here we have someone with long mid-back length hair. The stylist confirms how short does she want to go. He cuts off the hair into this beautiful shoulder length bob. So here we have someone with mid-length hair. Stylist cuts off the hair. Looks like she might be getting a bob for this one as well. Adding in some color. Oh, absolutely gorgeous. She has the curtain bangs here. Such a fun, cute style. Here we have someone with mid-back length hair. Stylist has the scissors and begins to cut. Oh, I love how chic and polished this bob makeover is. Very pretty. Her makeup and everything is just flawless. And then we have another stunning bob makeover. I like how she has her natural gray mixed in with the color. So pretty. Followed by another bob. So she gets a nice classic bob cut here with the center parts. Beautiful, very nice. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these hair transformations featured in today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.